We're from Greenland, and we like to tell you something about music in a minute that you wouldn't have guessed in a million years. So now you know that at least.
That gives us plenty of room and space in which to live.
And plenty of time for playing and making music.
However, as a nation we only produce 15 albums a year.
You could probably go through all of the albums in one single day.
The funny thing is,
at least one of those albums could probably appeal to your taste. Take these guys, small-time giants, who just released their debut album, Stethoscope.
It's the coolest. Check them out and the music video that follows.
So enjoy this video and check out the other bands and artists from Greenland on this website.
Thank you for your attention.
Goeienacht.
Goeienacht. Goeienacht. Goeienacht.